When a satellite is moving around, it has certain energy. Why it has energy? Two reasons. Number one, it has got velocity, it has got mass, therefore it has kinetic energy. Number two, there is always a force of attraction towards the earth, and against this force there has been a displacement created. From here, it should have been here because of the force of attraction, but there is some energy, some work has been done on it which has pushed it apart from the earth. That gives it potential energy. So a satellite has got both types of energy, potential as well as kinetic energy. Now we will calculate it. How much is the potential energy with satellite? Potential energy with satellite. Now this is a system which has got mass m. This is a system which has got mass m. There is a distance between the two equal to r, and we know the potential energy of this system. This potential energy is equal to minus g m upon r. This we have already done. So this is potential energy with the satellite with respect to earth. Now how much is the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is half m orbital v square. And here we put the value of v orbital. V orbital, this value is there. This we can write as g me upon r. Okay, so we have to make the square of it. So this is half m. This is g square me square upon r square. Okay, it is this way. So no, there has to be certain correction on it. It was not like this. There was a root involved. Yes, root. So if we make square of it, then it is g me upon r, this way. So this is equal to half g me m upon r. G me m upon r, g me m upon r, but this is minus 1, this is plus half. Please remember, kinetic energy due to square of velocity, it is always positive. Kinetic energy is always positive, but due to force of attraction, the potential energy is negative in this case. Now, how much is the total energy of this satellite? Total energy is sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. Sum of potential energy and kinetic energy, make the sum of 2. If you make the sum of 2, what you get is minus half g me m upon r. So everywhere you find g me m upon r, g me m upon r, g me upon r. So what you have to remember is, see, potential, this kinetic energy, make it negative, this becomes total energy. And potential energy is minus 1, full, g upon r. This is minus half. These are very strange relations, but these are the relations, actual relations. So you have to remember, in this, half of the potential energy is equal to the total energy, and this happens because of sign conventions. This is plus, this is minus, this is also minus. This is total energy of a satellite. Okay, so this is about the energy of the satellite. Now, there is one thing. If a satellite wants to leave its duty of orbiting around and want to become free, why it cannot? Answer is its velocity should increase. Then only it can move and go out. When the velocity increase, in other words, its energy should increase. How much energy it needs so that it become free? It is short of certain energy. If we give it that energy, it will be free from the binding. Binding of what? Binding is rotating around. Now, how much is the shortage? Answer is, this is the shortage. If here is Earth and here is a particle moving this way, no connection with this, what is their energy with respect to this Earth? Answer, this has energy 0. Potential energy with respect to this, or total energy with respect to this. So, if we give this much energy, positive energy to a satellite, then it will be free from the job of rotation. Energy plus half G MEM upon R if given to satellite, then its total energy will be 0. This. And if its total energy is 0, what will happen? Where should it exist? If its total energy is 0, answer is it should exist to the infinity. That means it is no more in the orbit. So this is short of this energy. If somebody gives it energy, it will become free. Then why it is making orbit now? Because this energy is not with him. If somebody gives him this energy, then it will become free. That is why we call this energy as binding energy. Binding energy is that energy required by a satellite. If that energy is given to a satellite, then it will leave the job of orbiting and will go from that space. So that is binding energy, and its amount, the binding energy, is equal to half G MEM upon R. So we have studied about satellites and all the quantities related to satellites. For the practical use, there are two categories of satellites, geostationary and polar satellites. How they are used, what is the difference between them, that we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.